This is how you make my delicious orange sauce that you can put on tofu, chicken, or vegetables. It's simply delicious. To a medium-sized saucepan, add a half a cup low-sodium vegetable broth, 1 cup orange juice, a half cup coconut sugar, 1/3 cup seasoned rice vinegar, a 1/4 cup coconut aminos, 2 cloves pressed garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon powdered ginger, and 1 teaspoon chili garlic sauce or sriracha, and the zest from 1 orange. Now take the orange you just zested and get all the juice out of it. Pour the juice into a glass or bowl and set it aside. Now bring the mixture that you put in your saucepan to a boil on high heat. Don't forget to stir it up a little. We're gonna let that mixture come to a boil. It's gonna take about 3 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons cornstarch to the orange juice that I just freshly squeezed. That was 1, and now here's 2. We're gonna use a whisk to stir it up. The sauce is boiling, so we're gonna lower the heat to about medium-low. Add in the cornstarch and juice mixture. Stir that and let it simmer another 3 to 5 minutes or until it starts to thicken. So the sauce is thickened. We're gonna turn it off and then move it off the heat. Now we're gonna let the sauce cool for just a little bit and it will continue to thicken as it cools. And let me tell you, it is the best orange sauce that you will ever taste. I'll tell you why. The secret is in the zest. Many recipes that I've tried over the years have not included the zest, and the zest is where all the flavor is. I'm gonna serve this over some grilled chicken breast tonight with a little bit of cauliflower rice and some Brussels sprouts. I'll post the recipe to my website, carolyn'sbloomingcreations.com, Carolyn's Daily Dishes page. Thanks for watching.